Hello, good morning student. Today we are going to start with functional structure and divisional structure. Functional structure is structure which is based on function, means only one product range is manufactured in this, and what we have in earlier videos we have said how a production line is there. So one in functional structure, one MD is there, and under this various departments are there. Research and development, production, marketing, financial, maybe, or some structure may be there, but this functional organization is this also called a line organization, and this is based on one product, manufacturing of one product. In this functional specialization is there because it work on the function of particular product, and its different department has their different functions. So this functional specialization for a single product also, and for this departmental also. Then second thing is it promote control between different departments. These different departments are controlled by a single person, so he is in charge of these all departments. So the coordination of this department increases. Then it also helps in increasing managerial and operational efficiency, because this is R&D manager, this is production manager, this is marketing, this is finance, and they have to work for a same product. If he are producing any product, say sketch pen he is making, so he have to focus only on that product manufacturing. Though it increases his operational efficiency, and as a manager, managing director is there, but these different department has their own managers, so it increases the efficiency also. Then minimal duplication or work is minimized at lowest level, which leads to economy of scale, means ki cost of production decreases. Then next thing, training become easier. In functional department, training is easier because every department can train. This department has say 20 staff, so if new staff come, they all can teach us. Then it is more suitable where high degree of specialization is required, because if you are manufacturing a single product, then your degree of efficiency must be at this highest level. Then second type is divisional structure. Divisional structure is based on different product they manufacture, like garment, footwear, there may be FMCG product, any other product, but every company has a same production line which we have in the functional structure. Means in this production is done of various products. You can say Tata is manufacturing car also, manufacturing truck also, making salt. These are the different type of divisions, and every division has this structure. Next, functional structure. So this is a bigger company, you can say. Here functional specialization is not so important. Deep product specialization is important, because this have to specialize in their product, this has to specialize in their product. And then in this, every divisional head is required for the responsible for the profit of the firm, what he is what he is making, what are the goal, every responsibility is on various departmental heads. Then flexibility is high in this. Flexibility because they can start a new business also. They have so much resources. So flexibility increases. Then more chances of expansion. Expansion, they always keeps on expanding themselves. That's a main advantage of divisional structure is this only. The next, it is used where large products are made. At that type, divisional structure is more important. So this is all functional and divisional structure. Now we will next topic we will take formal and informal organization. Okay, thank you for this session.